Hi, this is needlepointers.com. Today I'd like to show you this cute craft that our 4-H group made recently, and it's putting stamps with Mod Podge onto grits containers. Now you could use almost any kind of container that has a lid, and cardboard is a good option. So these were a couple of the ones my kids made, and they just picked random stamps that they liked, and you Mod Podge them on, and then you Mod Podge over the whole thing. Now your container, you can use a theme like all flowers. You can put them in rows like this. You can put them just random, more like this. And you just use whatever stamps you like and cover the whole thing. So to do this, you need some Mod Podge and a brush or a foam brush, something to protect your work surface from the Mod Podge, and then a whole bunch of stamps. So I'll just pick a few out here. And I'm picking mostly flowers and fruits, but like you could go with all Christmas stamps to make a Christmas themed one, or flags to make a patriotic one, or other patriotic type stamps. You could go with these old stamps that are from the they're supposed to be, I think, from the 1800s. Different things from the 1800s, like this, the canoes. Well, Eisenhower, it's not from the 1800s, but there's these little carriages and different things that are all from the 1800s. It says 1800s on the stamps. So pick out some stamps that you like. And let's see what else I got here. Once you have picked out some stamps that you like, you take the Mod Podge and put it on the container in an area and start sticking the stamps on. And you can stick them on there randomly, or you could stick them on in rows, like I said. But you want to end up covering the entire container with stamps. This is a great project for kids to do. It will keep them busy for, a few hours in this, couple hours in the summertime. So it's a good rainy day craft, or when it's really hot outside and they don't want to go outside. And it spurs their creativity too, because they have to pick out what stamps they want to have on their container. So as you go along with this, you'll get into a rhythm of putting some Mod Podge down, and then picking some stamps, sticking them on, and the stamps can go any direction you want. They don't even have to be right side up. They could be upside down, sideways, just random. It all depends on the pattern you want to do. So I throw on a bunch of stamps to cover an area, and then kind of go over them some with your Mod Podge, because I get some stuck down more, and then move on to the next section. Alright, so I have stamps on the whole entire thing, as you can see, and I'm just going to go over it one last time, making sure all the corners are down. and all of the stamps have some Mod Podge covering them. So put the Mod Podge on in an even layer and make sure there's no goopy areas. And the Mod Podge will dry clear. And once this dries, the project is complete. I hope you enjoyed this project and will make maybe some containers for yourself. Or your kids can make them for a fun afternoon activity this summer. Please visit our website, needlepointers.com, for a complete written and photo tutorial of this project. Also, please don't forget to share and like our video in YouTube and to share our content on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest.